Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. PAC will be offering 500 million shares in the company through an initial public offer IPO. The company published its prospectus on Tuesday. Each share will be sold for $1. PAC is hoping to raise $495 million and list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The IPO will open on November 22 and is scheduled to close on December 6. Fears of possible industrial action at Scotiabank Jamaica have been averted as a wage deal has been reached on behalf of its unionized employees. This follows negotiations with the bank and the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union. President General of the union, Cavan Gale, says the meeting ended early yesterday morning with a 2-year agreement.
The agreement provides for an increase of 7% in the first year of the contract and 5% in the second. Bearing in mind that what would have led to the breakdown was the bank's intent of offering a 4.5% in the first year and 4% in the second year. What we are doing now is that we have been going through the consultations with our members, recommending what has been arrived at.
Mr. Gale says the wage agreement could be signed next week. The Pension Industry Association of Jamaica, PIAJ, is calling for a more aggressive timeline for Phase 2 of pension reforms. The organization says it's critical to increase pension coverage among private sector workers. PIAJ President Sanya Goff says pension reform is urgently needed given Jamaica's rapidly aging society. Ms. Goff says she expects Phase 2 of the pension reform to make retirement investment more accessible for the average private sector worker. In Thursday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 1,791 points to close at over 500,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 66 stocks, of which 33 advanced, 25 declined, and 8 traded firm. The junior market index declined by 38 points to close at over 3,000. Stocks advanced for 1834 investments: Access Financial, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement, and Caribbean Producers. Stocks declined for Berger Paints Jamaica, Blue Power Group, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cream, and Express Catering. Trading firm were 138 Student Living, MG Packaging and Paper, Carreras Limited, Derriman Trading, and G West Corporation. Sagicor Select Funds was the volume leader with over 10.7 million units, followed by Wigton Wind Farm with close to 8 million units, and Proven Investments with over 5 million units. And news in oil. Oil was mixed on Thursday as a build in U.S. crude inventories weighed on prices, while comments from the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries about lower than expected U.S. shale production in 2020 limited declines. Brent crude futures gained 15 cents to trade at $62.52. Meanwhile, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was down 4 cents to $57.08 per barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.